Do you want to add video and photo together on Instagram Story? You can put videos and photos on Insta Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a video and a photo together on an Instagram Story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. Now, capture a new video or choose one from your gallery to upload as your story background. Once the video is added, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will appear. Tap on the photo sticker. Select the photo you want to add from your gallery. The photo will appear on top of your video. You can resize, crop, drag, or rotate the photo and place it anywhere on the video background. You can also add more photos the same way by repeating the process. Once you're happy with the story, tap on your story to share it with your followers.